From divine Sister the Laite Rakura Taruki, Rainbow Warriors of Mu, 144,000 Convergence. Keepers of the seed of light, the time has come, and it comes not with a roar, but with the soft wings of ancient remembrance. The Galactic Grandmothers of Mu are whispering through the waters, singing through the stones, and dancing through the song lines, calling gently to the hearts of the Rainbow Warriors, calling you to remember, calling you to rise as sanctuaries of living light. Beloved medicine carriers, Rainbow Warriors, ancient navigators, the sacred convergence of the 144,000 is upon us. We have been divinely appointed to work with others. The ancient star navigator star maps are lighting up once more. The peace trails are open and waiting. Ancient paths that have been hidden until now have become visible once again. Now there are two paths before you, one paved by fear, conflict, and forgetting, the other woven with trust, compassion, and remembering. You cannot walk both. You must choose to carry the sword or to carry the flame of peace. The timelines are parting, like rivers flowing in opposite directions. Will you fight for the old world, or will you walk barefoot into the new? The grandmothers ask with great tenderness, which future will you place your sacred feet upon? Lay down the weapons of the mind, beloved ones. Release the armor of ideology and pride. Come instead bearing the true tools of the Rainbow Warrior, listening deeper than noise, loving without possession, seeing beyond illusion, speaking blessings that plant gardens in barren ground, walking humbly yet fiercely for all life, holding space where others bring walls, trusting the holy spark within yourself and all beings. You are not asked to wage war for peace. You are asked to become peace itself. You are asked to breathe in the ancient memory of who you truly are. Awakened ancient technology, living technologies of love, sentient temples of light, guardians of the holy womb of creation. The Rainbow Warrior is not a fighter. The Rainbow Warrior is a bridge, a seed bearer, a dream carrier across the stars. Come, beloveds. Gather your medicine bundles, your prayers, your ancestral songs, not to conquer, but to converge, not to fix, but to bliss, not to control, but to dream a new earth into being through the soft, unbreakable power of love. The Galactic Grandmothers of Mu are waiting, arms open, hearts shining, to welcome you home to the sacred promise we made during the time before time, beyond time. The new dawn does not arrive with noise. It is born quietly inside each heart that chooses to walk the peace trail. We are already woven. We are already whole. We are already home. Rise gently, rise fully, rise together. Rise as the true, one-hearted people of the many in the one and the one in the many. Aho, Amenti. Galactic Grandmothers of Mu, from WeLoveRongoa.com.